Hey superstars, happy August. It's Magi Helena. Here's your astrological forecast for August 2022 using scientific multidimensional astrology. As a syndicated columnist, my Your Daily Astrology column has a readership in the millions. As an astrology pioneer, I've brought complex astrology down to earth. My instant personal astrology calendars and love compatibility reports have now helped tens of thousands of people around the world make real progress toward their dreams of love and success. Please subscribe here on YouTube and then click that notification bell on the right so you'll know as soon as new astrology videos are released. Think of each month's best and worst days as a way to understand the most predictable outcomes for taking actions on those days. And remember that for maximum help from the universe, you always need to layer up both these universal best and worst days and your ever-changing personal cycles too. August is kind of a medium month. It has some very good days and some really terrible ones. The first run of worst days early in August are nuclear days. Sun is also parallel Sappho, and there's a transdimensional square between Sun and Earth and the Saturn-Varuna midpoint. These are poor days to initiate anything in your personal or business life whatsoever. Just a few days later, Sun is contra-parallel Saturn and begins to move into the orb of a heartbreak clash with the Saturn-Chiron midpoint. More clashes, such as with the Saturn-Logos and Saturn-Odin midpoints, also make these very unfavorable days. Remember that if you don't start anything new or meet anyone new on a bad day, when that bad day's over, it's over with no negative after effects. Near month end, a long run of worst days gives us Sun in a bilevel clash with Saturn-Neptune. Chiron is moving into a nuclear heartbreak clash in the declinations, and there's also a peaking heartbreak in Helio Zodiac 7. These are highly negative days. Please wait them out. The first pair of best days just past mid-month offers a number of yummy enhancements from powerful points such as Ixion, the Chiron-Ixion midpoint, Neptune, Pluto, Haumea, Odin, Sedna, and Excalibur. Additional goodness comes from Diana and Vesta. These days offer cosmic assistance for both money and for relationships if your personal cycles agree. A 3-day run of best days the following week brings some delicious geometry, still with some of the same slow-moving points, Haumea, Ixion, and Sedna. These days feature nice grand trines in both Geo and Helio. The mega charismatic Chiron-Ixion midpoint peaks contra-parallel Sun, sprinkling some fairy dust on all of us. The Jupiter-Uranus super-fame midpoint in a wedge with Earth and Varuna in Helio Zodiac 7 adds more star power. These are money days, which can also be highly favorable to influencers and people in the spotlight. So, if you're done with giving people and situations your very best only to have another epic fail, change your timing. Get DIY info for calculating your personal transits and get a coupon. Click Show More. If you liked this video, please click like. Thank you. If there's someone you know that should see this video, please share it with them. Remember, subscribe on YouTube for more astrology videos. And please come visit me on MagiHelena.com. Grow and evolve. Get your timing right and understand your relationships. Get there now. Text astrology to 51555. Remember, timing really is just about everything. Here's wishing you an outstanding August.